Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video on this speed loader for GSG 522 long rifle. If you have one similar to this one that I have, then you might want to get one like this. It's kind of helpful, but then you have to modify it to fit your magazines, which is what I did. I filed down this part right here and that part in order to fit this angle right there and that corner right here. Otherwise it's gonna stuck. It's gonna stop right there because you got this plastic piece. It's kind of way up here and this one is kind of way down here, and it's not gonna go all the way down like this. And I think I kind of like it. Instead of using your fingers, you can just push your speed loader down for each round that you load it into your magazine. Instead of using your fingers like this, you can just keep going with this one. Speed loader, it's a little bit quicker too. And you don't hurt your fingers if you want to shoot like maybe a couple hundred rounds. So I kind of like it, and thank you for watching.